Naitala ang kaso ng coronavirus disease o COVID-19. Mabilis itong kumalat sa buong mundo.
May mga local transmission sa mga bagong kasong nadagdag.
We are now transitioning to home quarantine.
Let hope be the antidote to fear.
Despite the fear caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, government and educators from private and public sectors work hard to reaffirm their commitment to provide quality education to all Filipino learners, prompting a shift to class mode to any of the four formats: face-to-face, blended learning, distance learning, or homeschooling. According to Professor Clarita Carlos,
the empirical evidence suggests to us that effective learning happens on the basis of two factors. First, the mastery of the subject matter by the teacher, and two, a fairly high level of motivation by the student, and they are interacting.
Hi, I am Marvin Tusoy, a secondary school teacher 3 of Ozami City National High School, and I am here to present my action research proposal entitled The Impact of eBuild ebook as user-friendly and interactive learning design using Kotobi author on academic performance of grade 9 students in science. Context and rationale. Steadfast in its preparation, DepEd continuously provided self-learning modules with the alternative learning delivery modalities to various learners across the Philippines. Due to technology usage, our government system is becoming more globally competitive. To connect the learners' expertise about the use of technology, some educational specialists devise a strategy and incorporate it into the world of education. One of which is the Kotobi Author, a software program developed by Microsoft. It is a comprehensive ebook builder and EPUB editor ideal for education, training, and publishing environments. DepEd Order No. 31, Series of 2020, stipulated the grading and promotion of students. The distribution of the summative assessment in science are written works 50%, performance tasks 50%, with a total of 100%. In this project, the academic performance refers to the learner's progress and achievements categorized as did not meet expectations, fairly satisfactory, satisfactory, very satisfactory, and outstanding as stated in DepEd Order No. 8, Series of 2015. In the Grade 9 Science, data of the Learning Progress Monitoring Report in the Curriculum Management Support System in Figure 1 shows that 340 learners belong to satisfactory level in the first quarter of school year 2021-2022. Of this number, 11 learners are under the researcher's science classes as shown in Figure 2. In the second quarter, the number increases to 25 learners. This is quite alarming considering that these struggling learners are under the special curricular programs. The preceding discussion supports that there is a need to provide a school-based intervention to address the progress and achievement in science among the grade 9 learners in the third quarter of school year 2021-2022. Thus, an eBuild project will be conducted. Action research questions. Specifically, this study seeks to answer the following questions. Does the eBuild or ebook as user-friendly and interactive learning design improve the learning progress and achievement of the 25 students under satisfactory level after the intervention? What is the overall learner's level of interest in using eBuild? What are other improvements notable among the participants after the intervention? Proposed intervention, innovation, and strategy. This action research will explore the impact of eBuild project, a type of interactive learning ebook and supplemental instruction. This research will use the researcher's ready-made interactive ebook learning on Science 9 Quarter 3 lessons created with Kotobi author application. The data will be gathered and collected through a rating survey and teacher-made questionnaire using a Google Forms. The students will be instructed to download and install the Kotobi author and reader application on their desktop, laptop, tablets, or Android phones. Then, They will download the ebook file via Google Drive and will be given an instruction guide on how to navigate the application. The students' first, second, and third quarters final rating and attendance during the distribution and retrieval of self-learning modules will be compared. Journals will also be collected to ascertain the respondents' significant changes. Table 1 below shows the work plan, time estimates, and deliverables of this research. A. Pre-implementation phase. B. Implementation phase. And C. Post-implementation phase. Action research method. A. Research design. The study is action research by design. Data collections will be gathered through a survey questionnaire using Google Form. B. Site. The study will be conducted at Ozami City National High School for the third quarter during the school year 2021-2022. C. Participants. A total of 25 struggling students under satisfactory level identified in the CEMSS. D. Other sources of data and information. School Form 2, anecdotal records, and grid sheets are other data sources. E. Ethical considerations. This research is bounded with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. F. Data analysis plan. A. Instruments, tools which include teacher-made questionnaire and guide questions for the interview. B. Statistical analysis, mean, standard deviation, percents, and counts. Action research plan and timeliness. Table 1 presents the Gantt chart of the research activities and timeliness. Crafting of action research proposal, asking permission from the head of agency, conducting an online orientation, utilizing the developed interactive learning ebook, assessing the academic performance, gathering of data, analyzing and interpreting data collected, writing the findings, discussions, conclusions, tips and recommendations, and submission of action research final report for evaluation. Total 75 days. Cost estimates. The following items are considered: supplies and materials, communication, internet expenses, meals and snacks, transportation expenses. Overall total 3,730 pesos. References. Here are the references of my study.